Meta Smart Glasses mic not picking up sound. Quick fix. Step 1. Check for microphone permissions on your phone. Ensure that the MetaView app or any app you are using that requires the microphone, example for calls or recordings, has permission to access the microphone on your connected smartphone. Go to your phone's app settings, find the MetaView app, and check its permissions. Step 2. Clean the microphone port. Dust or debris can sometimes block the tiny microphone openings on your smart glasses, affecting sound input. Gently locate the microphone holes, usually on the frame near your mouth, and clean them with soft, dry brush or a puff of air. Step 3. Restart your Meta Smart Glasses. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that might be preventing the microphone from functioning correctly. Place your glasses in their charging case for a few seconds, then remove them to perform a quick restart. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause hardware components like the microphone to malfunction. Connect your Meta glasses to the MetaView app on your phone and check for any available software or firmware updates. Install them if prompted. Step 5. Forget and repair Bluetooth connection. Sometimes, the Bluetooth profile can become corrupted, affecting microphone functionality. Go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone, forget or unpair your Meta Smart Glasses, and then repair them as if connecting for the first time.